Take care of the spelling while talking about family. First word is family.
Family.
Family
Family.
is
At. At.
big,
Gand.
big.
Gand.
My
Ma.
family
Family.
is
At.
big.
Gand.
My
Ma.
family
Family.
is
At.
big.
Gand.
Friends, please note that whenever it is a feminine noun, it is written as ma instead of mo. My family is big.
Ma family at Gand.
My family is big.
Ma family at Gand.
Brother,
Fah.
brother.
Fah.
Sister,
Soh.
sister.
Soh.
I have
J'ai.
two
Du.
brothers.
Fah.
I have
J'ai.
two
Du.
brothers.
Fah.
I have two brothers.
J'ai du fah.
I have two brothers.
J'ai du fah.
I have
J'ai.
one
En.
sister.
Soh.
I have
J'ai.
one
En.
sister.
Soh.
I have one sister.
J'ai en soh.
I have one sister.
J'ai en soh.
We
Nous.
live
Vivons.
together.
Ensemble.
We
Nous.
live
Vivons.
together.
Ensemble.
We live together.
Nous vivons ensemble.
We live together.
Nous vivons ensemble.
Elder.
Annie.
Very important word to remember. Note down the spelling. Take care of it while writing, especially. Elder.
Annie.
Elder.
Annie.
Younger.
Plus jeune.
Younger.
Plus jeune.
I have a
J'ai un
younger sister.
sœur cadette.
I have a
J'ai un
younger sister.
sœur cadette.
I have a younger sister.
J'ai un sœur cadette.
I have a younger sister.
J'ai un sœur cadette.
I have an
J'ai un
elder sister.
sœur aînée.
I have an
J'ai un
elder sister.
sœur aînée.
I have an elder sister.
J'ai un sœur aînée.
I have an elder sister.
J'ai un sœur aînée.
Father.
Père.
Father.
Père.
Remember the spelling and the pronunciation too. Father.
Père.
Father.
Père.
Mother.
Mère.
Mother.
Mère.
My
Mon
father
père
is a
est
doctor.
médecin.
My
Mon
father
père
is a
est
doctor.
médecin.
As I said, for the masculine noun, it will be mon, M-O-N in French. If it is feminine, it will be ma. My father is a doctor.
Mon père est médecin.
My father is a doctor.
Mon père est médecin.
My
Ma
mother
mère
is a
est
lawyer.
avocate.
My
Ma
mother
Ma.
is a
Et.
lawyer.
Avocat.
My mother is a lawyer.
Ma mère est avocate.
My mother is a lawyer.
Ma mère est avocate.
Let's revise the words that we have done till now. This is the first revision of the session. Stay tuned for the next set of words. Family,
Famille.
family,
Famille.
is,
Et.
is,
Et.
big,
Grande.
big,
Grande.
brother,
Frère.
brother,
Frère.
sister,
Sœur.
sister,
Sœur.
one,
En.
one,
En.
younger,
Plus jeune.
younger,
Plus jeune.
elder,
Aîné.
elder,
Aîné.
father,
Père.
father,
Père.
mother,
Mère.
mother.
Mère.
Now we are going for the next set of words. Uncle,
Oncle.
uncle.
Oncle.
Mind the spelling, friends. Uncle,
Oncle.
aunt,
Tante.
aunt.
Tante.
My
Mou.
uncle
Oncle.
is a
Est.
pilot.
Pilote.
My
Mou.
uncle
Oncle.
is a
Est.
pilot.
Pilote.
My uncle is a pilot.
Mon oncle est pilote.
My uncle is a pilot.
Mon oncle est pilote.
My
Mon
aunt
tante
is a
est
housewife.
femme foyer.
My
Mon
aunt
tante
is a
est
housewife.
femme foyer.
My aunt is a housewife.
Ma tante est femme foyer.
My aunt is a housewife.
Ma tante est femme foyer.
Son,
Fils.
son.
Fils.
Daughter,
Fille.
daughter.
Fille.
Cousin,
Cousine.
cousin for male.
Cousine.
There are two different words here. For feminine,
Cousine.
for masculine.
Cousine.
My
Mon
uncle
oncle
has one
a un
son.
fils.
My
Mon
uncle
oncle
has one
a un
son.
fils.
My uncle has one son.
Mon oncle a un fils.
My uncle has one son.
Mon oncle a un fils.
My
Mon
uncle
oncle
has one
a un
daughter.
fille.
My
Mon
uncle
oncle
has one
a un
daughter.
fille.
My uncle has one daughter.
Mon oncle a un fille.
My uncle has one daughter.
Mon oncle a un fille.
I have
J'ai
two
deux
cousins.
cousines.
I have
J'ai
two
deux
cousins.
cousines.
I have two cousins.
J'ai deux cousines.
I have two cousins.
J'ai deux cousines.
We
Nous
live
vivons
in
en
France.
France.
We
Nous
live
vivons
in
en
France.
France.
We live in France.
Nous vivons en France.
We live in France.
Nous vivons en France.
My
Mon
brother
frère
is
est
married.
marié.
My
Mon
brother
frère
is
est
married.
marié.
My brother is married.
Mon frère est marié.
My brother is married.
Mon frère est marié.
My sister
Ma sœur
is unmarried.
n'est pas mariée.
My sister
Ma sœur
is unmarried.
n'est pas mariée.
My sister is unmarried.
Ma sœur n'est pas mariée.
Please note that for is we use a, but when it is negative we use ne. But not only that, pa is also used in all the negative sentence along with ne. My sister is unmarried.
Ma sœur n'est pas mariée.
My
Mon
cousin
cousin
is an
est un
athlete.
athlète.
My
Mon
cousin
cousin
is an
est un
athlete.
athlète.
My cousin is an athlete.
Mon cousin est un athlète.
My cousin is an athlete.
Mon cousin est un athlète.
My
Ma
mother
mère
sings
chante
well.
bien.
My
Ma
mother
mère
sings
chante
well.
bien.
My mother sings well.
Ma mère chante bien.
My mother sings well.
Ma mère chante bien.
My father
Mon père
drives
conduit
a car.
en voiture.
My
Mon père
father drives
conduit
a car.
en voiture.
My father drives a car.
Mon père conduit en voiture.
My father drives a car.
Mon père conduit en voiture.
My
Ma
sister
sœur
drives
conduit
a bike.
en vélo.
My
Ma
sister
sœur
drives
conduit
a bike.
en vélo.
My sister drives a bike.
Ma sœur conduit en vélo.
My sister drives a bike.
Ma sœur conduit en vélo.
My sister drives a bike.
Ma sœur conduit en vélo.
Let's revise the words that we have done in this video, friends. Stay tuned. Uncle,
Oncle,
uncle,
oncle,
aunt,
tante,
aunt,
tante,
son,
fils,
son,
fils,
daughter,
fille,
daughter,
fille.
cousin,
For feminine, cousine,
for masculine,
cousin.
cousin,
For feminine, cousine,
for masculine,
cousin.
married,
Marié for masculine, marié for feminine.
unmarried,
Célibataire,
unmarried,
célibataire.
athlete,
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 sing,
chanter,
sing,
chanter,
well,
bien,
well,
bien,
to,
doux,
to,
doux,
leave,
vivant,
leave,
vivant,
drive,
conduire,
drive,
conduire,
car,
voiture,
car,
voiture,
bike,
vélo,
bike.
vélo,
Along with family oriented words, we are also connecting other words which are associated with the same. Housewife,
femme à foyer,
housewife,
femme à foyer,
pilot,
pilote,
pilot.
pilote,
I have,
j'ai,
I have,
j'ai,
France,
France,
France.
France.
Thanks for watching.